Hello, my name is Kelly Gatling, and I'm a product trainer for Docusign University. And I'm here to tell you about one really valuable feature in Docusign CLM, and that is external review. External review is a powerful feature that allows outside parties to your organization, customers and vendors, the opportunity to review CLM stored documents and add new document versions back into CLM. An external review request can be sent manually at any point for any documents stored in CLM, or can be tied to a CLM workflow for a more automated, controlled experience. Today, I will be showing you how to send an external review request manually. To get started, locate your document in CLM that requires an outside party's review. The process can be started from the document preview by selecting Actions and then Send for External Review. Prepare your external review by selecting any additional documents if needed, filling in the recipient email address, and filling in the subject and message. You can optionally adjust the due date, which is the date the external review will expire if not completed. When you are ready, click Send. The recipient opens the external review from their email and has two ways of completing the review: by downloading the attachment and replying directly to the email with the new document version, or by selecting the Review Online option. From there, the recipient can review the instructions and then download the document if any updates are needed. Any updates will be made in the document's respective editing platform. If edits are made, the external reviewer can upload their new versions from the external review portal. Comments are optional if a new version is added. Otherwise, the reviewer will be required to add comments if no new version is added. When ready, the reviewer will click Finish and confirm they are ready to complete their external review. The document uploaded during the external review process will be added as a new document version back in CLM automatically. Any comments made during the process will be visible from the completion emails or from the document history. This back and forth process can continue until you have a fully agreed upon document. Learn more about external review and many other administrative CLM features in our Docusign CLM Administration Deep Dive. I hope you've enjoyed this quick external review overview today, and be sure to check out more content like this out on the Docusign University Learning Portal. Bye!